In this video I will install Rapid SCADA with the default parameters. Before installation you should prepare your computer. Download and install ASP.NET Core Runtime and .NET Desktop Runtime version 6. For Windows you need to download and install Hosting Bundle and the appropriate desktop runtime. I already did it. Open Windows Features and activate Internet Information Services with the default options. Open the website rapidscada.org, download latest version, fill the profile, click the send button, and you will be redirected to this page. Download Rapid SCADA version 6. Extract the files and run SCADA setup. Click the install button. This is the website name that will be created. Application pool name is based on the website name, and TCP port used for the web application. Usually web applications uses the port number 80, but it is in use by the default website. If you stop the default website, you can use the default TCP port. I will use the port displayed in the previous window. Installation is in progress. Installed successfully. Let's check that Rapid SCADA works correctly. Open the administrator application and find the Hello World project. Project samples, Hello World. Open. Navigate to the log files of the server application. You can see that everything is okay. Communicator log file, correct. WebStation log file doesn't exist because the web application is not started. Use the link to open the web application. Currently it is not ready, but it will be ready very soon. Now it is ready. Username is admin, password SCADA. Click login. You can see that data is changing. If you click the item, a chart will be open. Everything works well. Thank you.